done this before and that's cool, no, but I want you to try this one. That's cool.
I love it in Santiago.
Get ready, pop it, let's go. Intergalactic, you and me. Intergalactic, you and me. Get ready.
Whenever I travel, my main forms of tourism are walking 10 miles a day, finding the best vegan food, drinking tea in aesthetic cafes, and looking for souvenirs in thrift stores. I was in Santiago de Compostela in Spain for a month, so I found the best thrift stores. But I still had to purchase items very intentionally because I had limited room in my luggage. Until I couldn't fit all my stuff in there anymore, but that's a story for later in this video. Coming from New York City, Santiago de Compostela's thrifting scene was very affordable. I have to say my favorite thrift stores were Europa and Flamingo by far. Flamingo was more expensive than Europa, but it's where I got most of my clothes. This is where all these button downs are from. They're definitely more expensive, but the selection was very, very good.
Thrifted in Spain for, I think this is 10 euros, which is a lot. Oh. I know.
Europa has a much more limited selection, but the thing is, so much of it is under 5 euros.
From Europa, 12.11 for a pair of shorts.
And right now the euro is almost the same as the dollar, so it's very affordable. They also always have sales and new clothes every week. These are the clothes I got from Europa.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to pack my bag because I have to ship some stuff home. My suitcase is overweight. It is more economical to ship my stuff home to the States rather than bring it with me to France and then fly it back home after. Because I'm taking 2 flights. It's like you're so proud and you're so happy you thrift something for 2 euros, and then your suitcase becomes overflowing and you're like, that ended up costing me way more than 2 euros. I wonder what happens to people who shop a lot when they're overseas and then they have to, or away from their hometown and they have to fly back. I always wonder how are they fitting in their suitcase? I think most people just most people either buy another suitcase or they overpack their suitcase and they know it's going to be overweight, or they planned ahead and they brought a pretty empty suitcase if they knew they were going to shop. But in my case, I'm gonna ship it home. I did this when I was in LA as well, actually, because when I had taken the train from New York to LA, they didn't weigh my bag and it was clearly overweight. But on the way back, I had shipped a box home because I knew it would be too expensive in the flight. There I used USPS. I think it was, I can't remember how many pounds it was, but I think it was I remember around $50 to ship. I can't remember. Here I know the prices, because I got them from the post office last time, and I'm just gonna pack my suitcase right now so I can pack it once I get to the post office in their box, because I don't have a box here. See how much I can stuff in there, and I also have to get my film developed today. The package is gonna be approximately 95 euros, pretty sure. Let's start packing.
Quiero enviar este a los Estados Unidos. Okay. Lo siento. Yeah, I want to try. That's 24 euros.
Maybe the parodies are matching them.
What are they called?
Ski suits.
Ski suits. It seems really comfortable and warm and functional.
They're not fun to go to the
Hello. Overall, I would rate this a 6. I would say it's 6 out of 10 because, 6, 7, because I like the selection, but it's very overpriced. So I think 6. out of 10 because I'm not going to buy anything.
I would say 4, but +1 for the good-looking customers.
Because they wear socks with sand.
Yes. I mean, I have other reasons, but
It's true.
that is
6.
6
Yeah.
prices. Yeah.
I've shared my opinion.
big fat.
I think selection's really good, very colorful. They have the quarter zips and colorful quarter zips, which I really want, but price is too much.
So what's your rating? No, what is your rating?
Oh, the rating? I actually think it's like 8 out of 10. It's just too expensive. But
So you only
I
dropped
can't
2 points on
justify.
expensive?
Yeah, only 2 for expensive. I really like the selection.
Oh wait, can you document my favorite thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go on.
Just so I can't buy it.
Well, why are you not buying it?
The sleeves are too short. I would buy it for like 20 euros, but it's 34. And for short sleeves, I can't justify it. I mean, I would have justified it if it was just me here, but everybody else.
But I was telling you not to. The next one should be cheaper. So.
She said what she said.
Let's go to the next one.
These people are claiming they don't know what a London fog is. That's a lie. Big fat lie. Yeah, they're lying. Let's go to the next thrift store.
Is it a tea?
It's a latte with Earl Grey.
That sounds alright. You need to report back.
Excuse me.
So it's no problem. The milk does not consent to before you. It told me like so it's I know. It's scared to say out loud, but you whisper play another game. The game is the milk doesn't want. It doesn't want you protein. It doesn't want you.
This is Piseo. Here's Piseo.
What's wrong with you? Oh, it's really good.
Yeah, I was trying to get a nice shot of me getting the milk.
Oh, we should do that for you.
It was doing it by itself.
It's there. Sorry, my bad.
I forgot.
New one I'm trying. Yeah, I'll get this one. After thrifting all those clothes, today's the first time doing laundry. I've been here for a week. It's Wednesday. I got here on Monday. Time to do laundry. I've been meaning to do it. I've just been putting off my domestic chores. Let's figure out how to do laundry. You can get detergent from the laundry as well, which is cool because I don't have to buy it. Also, I think my Sony might be... I dropped it, which is like... But it's inevitable. The camera's not recognizing the lens, so I might have to go back to the photo camera store. There's a bunch here, so I might go to one of them and might go to a few of them and get the pricing to get it fixed. Because I feel like I can't fix it myself, or I can mail it to Sony actually, I think, because I still have a warranty.
Guess I'm thinking about you and I said I've been there too a few times. Cause you got that James Dean daydream look in your eye. And I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing.
All my clothes are drying because I don't want to use the dryer because I have to come back and get the laundry. But
We have finally made it to the airport safe and sound. A very nice English lady escorted me with her 2 grandsons or sons to the bus stop. At first we were speaking in Spanish, and then at the end of our conversation, I kind of just confirmed where to go for the bus stop. She was like, do you speak English? And I was like, yeah. I was like, oh, because I am actually English. And I was like, oh, great, I speak English.
Thank you. Okay.